We've learnt about other schools and how they do stuff differently.
Some people's dinner times are good,
And
some people's dinner times are bad.
Yeah. How to improve our school lunches.
About school dinners and how we can make them more better.
We've enjoyed everything. Learn more about the missions. We learned about people's rights. The treasure hunt and mad science. The 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 mad scientist. Mad science. The mad science.
I really enjoyed the scientists today.
Doing the mad science. The mad science. Mad science. The mad science.
Cleaning the park on the treasure hunt.
I enjoy
the scientist.
Scientist.
Of my friend.
I enjoyed lunch very much. Doing the treasure hunt. We enjoyed the treasure hunt.
And going on to the treasure hunt. We found it really fun.
Walking around and adventuring, meeting other children.
I enjoyed the fairy tale
To make our playtimes more calmer and quieter. The treasure hunt and the mad science.
I enjoyed the food and the treasure hunt.
We had a good time here.
We had a good time.
Yeah.
Thanks for today. We really enjoyed.
Thank you for a lovely day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We